Your current service map. As you see, right now we have a low pressure heading right now in the direction northeast. Now it's going to begin heading to the east eventually, probably within the next couple of hours. It's going to begin heading to the east here. And that warm front is about to move through the Ohio Valley, but if that low turns east, when we get the next update, the low will move right over to Ohio Valley. The Ohio Valley is getting lots and lots of rain. Now, as another thing is, as you see, there's big blow up in convection here. That was on Monday or Tuesday. We had a big outbreak of severe weather, and then actually is telling you, they're actually telling you like what is going on here. As you see here, we had an outflow boundary, squall line, and another squall line here. Right now we have a squall line moving about, let me see, get the next. We have a squall line moving across Alabama, about to move into Georgia. We have tornado watches in effect there. Let's go to weather.gov, excuse me. And these are current watches and warnings up at the top here. Current radar and like the the outlook. Couldn't think of it. The outlook here for severe weather for the rest of the day. As you see here, we have a squall line coming across here. Let's go to Tornado Watch 896 here. And we have no warnings here, but as we see here, we're getting some supercells at the bottom of the line, and you're getting that moisture feed, that rain going up into the Ohio Valley, and then you got that big, huge area of rain. We got some thunderstorms here. When we look at current warnings, there are no current warnings here. Yeah, the isolated damaging wind / tornado threat continues here. You probably could tell where the low pressure is. Oh wait, no, there's no low pressure down there. Duh. Now let's go to the Upper Ohio Valley current alert here. As you see here, a recently issued flood warning across here from Fairmont all the way up to just south of Indiana, Pennsylvania. The flood watch is for the southwest, for half of the Pittsburgh area. I mean like for the Pittsburgh National Weather Service area. And then this half is not under a flood watch or warning. We also have a flood advisory for Pittsburgh, a flood warning for these areas just east of Zanesville. If you live in Zanesville and you look at current watches and warnings and it says flood warning, it's because the east part of your county, extreme east part of your county, is under a flood warning. And then in central West Virginia, there is a flood warning right in there. Now, as we look at current radar here, we have the heaviest rain coming across here where we have that newly issued flood warning. And it's because we've had high rainfall totals here, storm total rainfall. We're getting that heavy rain. Now let me show you this one freak that floods just about every time we receive heavy rain. Now water, let's go to here. And now let me go. We have no locations in flood. That's right now. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. Try to click on. Here we go. This area floods a lot here. It is okay. Okay. A flood warning needs to be issued for Belmont County. We have Wheeling Creek below Blaine in flood stage now. A flood warning will likely be issued soon. So again, a flood warning will likely be issued soon. Okay, now that we're looking at radar here, as you see, This is interactive radar here. We zoom out here, and as you see, we have a big body of precipitation here. It's all going to come in the form of snow. These areas, we have winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, and warnings in effect there. And then, with that low here and along that cold front, and then you got that warm front here, it's like you're getting that moisture feed. It starts here, it comes here, and then it comes right up through here, and then that's where we're getting all this moisture from. And we're getting all that heavy rain here. As you see, we have a very heavy rain core in here. Excuse me. Another little heavy rain core here. And then all this yellow is moderate rain. So we have a lot of moderate rain. This dark green is pretty much, you might as well say, moderate rain and good steady rain. So yeah. This system is really causing flooding problems here. Let me go back here. See if they've issued a flood warning yet for some of these areas. Flood warnings are beginning to overtake this area here. Maybe a flood advisory. But no flood advisories yet, but I won't be surprised if we see one in Belmont County soon, because Wheeling Creek below Blaine, Ohio, which is located in Belmont County, has entered flood stage. Again, it has entered flood stage. Now, this is current weather in Wheeling, Ohio County Airport. As of 8:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, November 22nd, 2011. Light rain, 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity, 90%. Wind speed, south at 13 miles an hour. Barometer pressure, 1006.9 millibars, or 29.73 inches. Dew point 57 degrees Fahrenheit, and visibility 10 miles. Again, these areas are being affected by this heavy rain. Now, as we zoom out here, as you see, the general area of the precipitation, or the heavy precipitation, will be the Philadelphia, New York area, Ohio River Valley, central Georgia, where we're having that tornado watch still in effect. And then in the northwest, we got a strong system coming in. There is not as many warnings as there was before. I mean, like, there was high wind warnings, winter storm warnings, maybe even a few blizzard warnings. I wouldn't be surprised. I didn't see any, but wind advisories, flood watches. I mean, 7 inches of rain was possible, but I think we got through the heart of the storm. We've been seeing just heavy rain across the country. The plains haven't gotten any significant weather since like a couple of days ago. They've been clear today, but it's the east half of the country and the northwest. That's where we're seeing heavy rain. In the southeast, severe weather. Well, that's all from Price Weather Service. Thank you.